Well, unfortunately, a couple of people died over here at the marina near where Sarah was anchored. I'm going to check on Sarah right now. There's a lot of branches and stuff down, but I don't see any like real destruction. But evidently a boat broke free at the marina over there and ran into another boat that a couple of people were in riding out the storm, and they drowned. And thank you, Jesus. Not good. So I'll be back. So the windy app is still showing a lot of wind out there, but I mean, it looks like everything's over. The storm has passed, and yeah, the water level's definitely up there. It looks like it's about 3 feet higher than normal. So I just passed them down to trees. So we got a little bit of stuff broken up over here, but it's pretty light compared to the destruction I saw down in the Caribbean. Of course, all the traffic lights are out over here. Find out where my boat went. I'm sure it's not anchored out there anyway. It can't be. It couldn't have survived this. Well, it looks like no boats were knocked over at the Marine Center, so that's a good sign. So we're slowly coming up on the place where my boat's anchored. Thank you, Jesus. Well, it looks like all these boats survived. I don't see anything knocked off their blocks. So we just might have made it. I mean, I was anchored pretty good out there. We're coming up on the turn here. See how flooded it is over here. Yeah, it's pretty flooded. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And of course I didn't bring my glasses, so I can't see anything. Alright, so this is what I came up to. Can't see the docks. So I don't think I'm gonna step out there or swim over there. That's my dinghy right there. That's Mr. Alex. I guess he went back to sleep maybe. So I'm gonna go see if Sarah might still be over there. Hey, there he is. Thank you, Jesus. How you doing, brother?
Doing all right. Ooh, a double cheeseburger. He needs it more than I do.
Yeah, okay, well. Looks like you guys had a party last night. Alright, so they found the guy's girlfriend. I'm gonna go over here and see if I can find my boat. Just gonna take it easy and just kind of work my way over there. You can see parking blocks under here, so help me navigate, I guess. I just hope I don't stub my toe on something over here. Looks like something floating right there, but I think that's where the water is anyways. Kayak over there, but I don't have a paddle. Alright, there's a parking block. Another parking block. And there's a duck bird. I need a paddle too. It looks like I might be up the creek without a paddle. So there's my boat beating up against barge 295, and Alex, you can barely see him. He's paddling right there. He's going out there to scout her, check her out. So is she beating up against the dock over there?
A little bit, not too bad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I would be wanting to try to get the engine started before doing anything else.
Let's do that. You want to hop on? This time you hop on in front. She's not taking on water. Water line's high. She's not banging up against the dock. She's got 3 pilings to her right. But that restaurant is completely sunk. I don't know if you can see.
So, I'm motoring over to my boat right now. Got a couple of waves. It looks like my solar panels, the arc's bent, but they're still there. Let's see how well she held up. Man, it actually looks like she's not hitting the restaurant there. She made it pretty good, man. Dude, the panels are not even broke.
That's good. It's just a bimini then.
You know what? And it's because I didn't finish fastening it down.
Well, the only damage I took was a little bit of water in my boat, an empty bilge, which is not a bad thing, and torn up bimini.
Thank you. Right on. Well, let me see if I can get this mess out of here. Let's see what we got.
I'm going to try to see if I can get started back and see how many parking lots I can run through.
Okay. You sure you don't want to hang out?
I feel like I don't, man. I got the dogs back home.
Okay.
I gotta make sure they're alright.
All right. Well, I'm going to get to work. And
If you want a couple dogs, let me know.
I'm in Sarah. And, she took some damage, but hey, she's still floating. This guy here sank. So anyways, I'm gonna try to get her out of here. I just wanted to tell on my insurance company because I tried to move my boat from over there and it drifted over to here, and well, instead of trying to figure out how to fix the problem, they want to know if I sail my boat in my bedroom. Yeah, don't get me started. Well, that guy just fell in the water. The boat sank real fast. It was listing a little bit. I didn't think it was going to sink, but it just like went whoop. It was listing all day. And then it just fell off into the water. So here's a box of junk, dock line. This looks like my dock line. I don't know. So you think the manager will have a fit if she sees my boat over there?
I don't think so. I don't understand why she would.
It's like, blah.
What did they do with those clothes that I had over there?
With those towels and stuff inside?
No, there was some clothes. Like there was a bag of clothes
Mm-hmm.
from.
I don't remember seeing any of that.
When Richie was there. I guess Robert must have threw him away or something.
Well, the water's gone down about a foot in the past hour, huh?
Yeah, like 2 feet. I was able to paddleboard through here.
I
Not
heard,
anymore.
heard they lowered Lake Houston by a foot or something. And my boat is sitting funny, man. I don't understand it, but I'm not going to complain because she's sitting higher in the water now like she's supposed to. I don't get it.
Could be higher salinity. My boat's sitting higher up too, so.
Right on. Yeah.
Actually, everyone's boat is, now that I look at it.
Well, I straightened the deck up and threw the dinghy up there. The rub rail got beat up and ripped off in some places. And then when it floated over, it took some hits on the gel coat. I mean, it's down into the fiberglass. And yeah, you can't see it, but the rub rail on the other side is busted off worse than this side. This is the good side over here. But she held up pretty good. The panels aren't broke. I need to put the screws in the panel arch so that don't move. The Dodger, everything held up really well. This is a good solid boat. I understand that when that hurricane hit, it was 110 mile an hour winds over here, which I think puts it at a category 2. I don't know. I'll have to check that. But yeah, she held up very well. That CQR anchor probably would have held a little better had I paid out some more road, but I mean, in all, it was a success. We successfully survived Hurricane Beryl, whatever, and thank God, because there were some people that nearly died over here. Zoom in on these spots. The rub rail just got beat up. I guess, yeah, I can see the finish on the gel coat right there. Took a beating. And I had just, had this boat polished. This thing was sharp. Pictures of it. I have insurance, but I'm not sure, because when I called them to try to get a tow, they seemed to be interested in other stuff. So, all right, so I got my girl parked here by Cabo's Club. There's it's like somebody's house, floating house, and a boat right there, and the rest of this is open. There was a jet ski rental place, but they're put out of business from what I heard. They done sank everywhere. So anyways, I was just showing my girl here. Got the dinghy on the deck. She's doing really good. Thank you, Jesus. So this is AIS traffic during the hurricane, and here's some still shots from the Caribbean that was shared with me on Facebook. Yeah, a lot of people's stuff got tore up. Evidently, the body count down there was 9. I'm sure it's gone up some. I also received a lot of notifications of people who were missing. So my prayers are with the families and the people that are missing. Hopefully they can find them without too much trouble. So here's some earlier shots of the Windy app showing the progress of the Hurricane Beryl, and you see the coloring down there. That purple color is like 50 knot winds, and there's the after landfall. You see that those strong winds keep bearing down on this area just to the right of the city of Houston is Galveston Bay there, and you see the darkest areas here are the heavy winds bearing down. But they got a lot heavier than 60 knots. I can't see I'm editing on my phone, so anyways, here's a little better representation. Anyway, please subscribe and share. Thank you.